Ever open your bank app, see the balance, and think, where did my money go? You're not alone. Most people lose $200 to $500 a month to invisible spending. Those tiny $5 coffees, forgotten subscriptions, and sneaky fees that add up without you noticing. What if AI could scan your statements in 60 seconds and spot every single one? Today, I'm walking you through the exact free AI system I use on at Smart Money Ops to uncover $300 plus hidden leaks. No math, no spreadsheets, just copy-paste results. If you're tired of money vanishing, watch this. You'll have cash back in your pocket by tonight. First, the problem. Invisible spending isn't dramatic like a $1,000 couch. It's death by 1,000 cuts. Starbucks runs $6 times 15 equals $90 per month. Unused gym apps. $20 by 12 months forgotten equals $240 per year. Amazon, just browsing. Ads, $15 times 20 equals $300, quarter. Bank fees, rounding ups, delivery tips, they hide in plain sight. You don't see them because life is busy. But they steal your emergency fund, vacations, or freedom. The fix? AI reads faster than you ever could, spotting patterns, totals, and waste in seconds. I've done this for dozens of people. Average savings, $312 first month. Real results ahead. Super simple. Log into your bank app or download last 30-90 days statements as PDF or CSV. Most banks let you export with one-click download transactions. Snap a photo if it's paper, or copy-paste top 20-50 lines if text. Don't worry about format. AI handles messy data like a pro. Takes 2 minutes max. Do it now while watching. Use ChatGPT free version or Google Gemini, both work. No apps to download. Pro tip. Use incognito mode or a throwaway chat to keep bank info private. Paste this exact prompt. I'll say it slow so you copy. Act as a personal finance auditor. Analyze this bank statement data. Categorize every transaction into spending types. Groceries, dining out, subscription, fees, transport, entertainment, shopping, utilities, other. For each category, summarize the total to spend. Flag anything over $10 that repeats 3+ times, possible subscriptions. Highlight invisible waste. Under $20 items that add up, like forgotten recurring charges and fees. Suggest 3 cuts that save $100 plus. Data. Paste your transactions here. Output a simple table plus savings summary. Boom. Hit enter. AI delivers a clean breakdown in 10-30 seconds. Let me show you real results from my last month's data. Pasted 47 transactions. Here's what AI found. Totals per category. Dining out was $187. Subscriptions were $89. Shopping was $214. Fees were $23. Groceries were $312. Other was $156. Red flags AI caught. Smoothie Shack $7.50 times 18 equals $135 cut to $50 per month home blender. Prime Video add-on, $9.99 by 3 months forgotten equals $30, cancel now. Bank rounding fee $1.50 times 15 equals $22.50, switch auto save off. DoorDash tips $3 minus 5 times 12 equals $48, cook twice weekly. AI savings plan, cut these 4 equals $285 per month freed. That's $3,420 per year. Your numbers will vary, but 80% of people find $200 plus. Pause, try it yourself right now. Don't just read, kill the leaks. Subscriptions. Log in, canceled 2-3 today, takes 5 minutes. Patterns. Set phone reminder, no, add the habit, Wednesday and Friday. Fees. Call bank or switch to fee-free account. Bonus automation. Save this prompt as a template. Run monthly on Friday reset. Over time, invisible spending drops to 0. Your money starts sticking. Viewer story. Sarah pasted her Chase export. AI found $420 in gym apps, nail salon repeats, and iCloud storage she forgot. Cancelled 2, saved $110 per month instantly. This system scales. Do it quarterly for bigger wins. Stop guessing where money goes. Let AI find it for you, free, fast, forever. Challenge. Export statements now, run the prompt, comment your top leak plus savings. Subscribe to its Smart Money Ops for more AI systems that earn more, spend smarter, reclaim your time. Your 60 seconds from $300 back. Go do it. See you in comments.